What's going on, everyone? My name is Sherwin, and today we are with the R1S Studios. Today we're revisiting a video I did a few months back, accessory for the R1S from Vion. We're going for a little drive, and yeah, definitely I can feel the difference because it's just blocking it. And so one of the issues I had with that accessory, which is the roof shade, and if you know me and you've been a fan of this channel, been watching the videos, I love roof shades because I don't think tinting your glass roof is enough. I actually don't like to do that. So I'd rather use a roof shade. And sure, I don't get to see the sky anymore. So here in Southern California, that honeymoon period tends to run out quickly. It expires quickly because it's just hot over here. Southwest region, man, even if you're in Florida, man, I don't know how y'all do it without roof shades. One of the things that Vion didn't have for the R1S is the roof shade for the third row. And some of you are probably wondering, well, you have a second gen R1S. It has the dynamic glass roof. Yes, it does. And it's great, but it's not enough for me. Sure, it'll do a good job at blocking the heat, but it doesn't give me that, you know, like the light. Light still comes in from sunlight. So I just like having it solid. But the great thing about roof shades is I have the ability to just remove it. If I miss having that transparent roof where I could see the sky, I'm driving anyway. I'm not going to be looking up, you know, even with hands-free, you know, I'm not going to look up. It's just not me. So anyway, Vion sent this. They hit me up and like, hey, guess what? We finally got the third row for your R1S. Do you want to check it out? Yes, I do. So that's why we're here on the video and we're checking it out. We're going to be unboxing. So there's just these simple clips here and pretty much the shade itself. Right there. There's even a picture that shows you where you need to put these clips. These are really easy to install and I really like the quality of it and they just work. So you unfold it like that. One side is solid black, the other side is this honeycomb pattern, and you have this tab here that pretty much tells you, you know, like this is the one facing the sun. What does it say? This side up. So, and that's it. That's all there is to it. And these clips will just go on the edges and you're pretty much done. All right, so let's go take a look at what it looks like inside. So right now, see, these are the Vion Sunshade roof shade that I had in the previous video. I've never removed it. Love it. It works wonderfully. Now, here in the third row, there it is. No love for the third row passengers until now. Because the digital glass roof only works in the front row and second row. No digital glass roof here. For third row sunshade, please install the clip in the center only. Placing it anywhere else or using extra clips will cause gaps. Use one clip on each side for best fit. But see these circles here? That pretty much says there really is only 3 clips. Either install it in the front side or the rear side. So yes, it only comes with 3 clips. And the other 2 are for left side and right side. Closer look at the clips. They're all pretty much the same, it looks like, and it's neat. It has the Vion logo on the clips itself. So there isn't like one that says left, one that says right, or one that says center. They're all the same. All right, so what you're gonna do is, this side is the one that actually goes on to the shade itself. And you should do this first and don't clip it on the edges of your roof. You should clip it on the shade first. That way you just slide it in. That's it. So I'm gonna attach it to this side where the tab is and see how that will hold up. It should hold up. Now, one thing you can do is if it starts to, like the part with no clip, if it starts to go down, just move the sides clips closer to that side. I actually put the clips upside down. So remember, the honeycomb pattern goes up, flat part goes up. So really easy to install. Now this isn't like a rectangle where the width, like this way, is the same size. I believe the rear is kind of shorter than this part. So it only goes one way. I'm assuming the tab is facing more to the front, but we'll see. And because we put the clips in already, they just slide right in. And here on the sides, just push it towards the center and you're good to go. Oh, this fits nicely. All right, let's see. Okay, there you go. You just gotta push this in more. There you go, the fit is really nice. Now, this part does kind of come down a little bit, and what you could do is take this and switch it, put it in the back. So I just wanted to show you, if you did it backwards, you're gonna tell right away. See, right there, it's not gonna fit. So that's how you could tell that it's backwards. We're gonna go ahead and flip it again. All right, so I put the clip here towards the back. See right there? That's what I did, and it's holding it up better than if I were to put it here. Now, I don't think it really matters. It's really up to you. But yeah, this isn't really exposed or anything unless you do this. But yeah, it's fitting nice. There you go. Yeah, it only fits one way. You'll know if you did it wrong. I barely sit back here, and there's a lot of room back here. But yeah, third row passengers now get love thanks to Vion. This is neat. I like it. This is gonna stay on here. You know, Rivian, why didn't you have dynamic glass roof here? Is it because not many people sit in the third row? Huh, I've always wondered that. It's only front row and second row that got the dynamic glass roof. Cost savings, baby? Let me know what you think in the comments. Why didn't Rivian do dynamic glass roof here? But that's it for this video. Thank you, Vion, for sending this out so I could share with you all this product. People in your third row will appreciate it. Also, check out their site. They have other accessories there. They sent out another air filter for me to use. I've checked it. I'm still good. It's clean, but check out the other video that I did on the roof shade for this one over here in the front. If you haven't done so, I've also showed you how to change your air filter there as well. Very easy to do. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Make sure you check out sherwinm.com, the website that accompanies this channel. We have an accessories section there, a page there. It lists all of the brand partners, coupon codes, reviews, All that in one place, easier to search than YouTube itself. Everything's over there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.